What's the meaning of baptism? Baptism. Baptism.
Baptism. Baptism. Baptism is a religious ritual that involves the act of washing and immersing someone in water as a symbol of purification, renewal, and admission into a community of faith. In Christianity, baptism is viewed as a sacrament and is often considered an essential act of faith, representing a believer's acceptance of Jesus Christ as their Savior and Lord. The practice of baptism has ancient origins, found in many different cultures and religions around the world. It is a powerful symbol of new beginnings, spiritual cleansing, and divine grace, and is an important rite of passage for many believers.